Let's create a daily steps calculator app. We'll begin by setting our daily step goal to 6,000. Create a goal steps variable and set it to 6,000, along with a total step variable set to 0. To track our progress, we print out the goal so we know what we're aiming for. Add a print block. In the first text slot, type a message that describes our total goal. In the second slot, insert the goal steps variable. Click the code button at the cell's top right to view the cell's generated Python code. Run the cell and view the output. Add a new cell. Add the steps we walked in the morning. That gives us 2,500 steps so far. Now let's drag in the variables plus equal block. Change the left side to total steps and add at the right side the morning steps variable. We update the total and print the result to see where we stand at this point in the day. Next, add the steps from our evening walk. We update the total again. We do that by simply copy-pasting the plus equal block from the previous cell, then just changing the right side to evening steps variable. Finally, let's check whether our total steps have reached the daily goal. First, let's print the total steps we walked today. Using an if-else block, we can easily tell if we've already hit the target or if we still need a bit more walking. Drag an if-else block into the workspace, then add a comparison block inside its condition. Place the total steps variable on the left side. Change the comparison to greater than or equal, and place the goal steps variable on the right side. Now simply add a print block in each branch to show the appropriate message. Our steps are still below the daily goal. Let's add some extra daily steps to make our total more realistic. We'll start by creating a variable called random steps and set it to 0. Next, drag in a loop block of type for and set its count to 5. Inside a loop that runs 5 times, add to random steps a small random amount.
From the math category, drag in the random integer block.
Anywhere between 200 and 500 steps. These represent short walks or trips throughout the day. After the loop finishes, print the total number of random steps we collected. And finally, add these random steps to our main total steps count so they're included in our daily progress. Now run the whole notebook and take a look at the total. Something strange happens. Our total steps actually got smaller. Clearly something's wrong. So let's find the bug. To debug our program, we'll use the debugger. Let's step through the notebook one cell at a time. Each cell has a debugger button in the top right corner. Click it to open the debugger. Next, click the horizontal arrow button. This is the step command button. It will run one line in our cell code. We can view the variable values in the debugger's variable table. Debug the morning cell code. And now, debug the evening cell code. Now, debug the random step cell. Run it step by step and watch the variable values. Look at the value of total steps in the debugger window. Here's the problem. The total steps actually decrease. Instead of adding the random steps to the total, the code is actually replacing the total. Let's fix the line. Now we run the whole notebook and take a look at the total. To run the whole notebook, head to the top bar, play All button, and click. Now our total steps increase correctly, and we finally reach our daily goal.